Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the recorder's internal audio permission and choosing a stable storage location. Once done, set the sample rate to 44, 1 kHz or 48 kHz, and pick 16-bit for compatibility or 24-bit for higher fidelity. Make sure you allow the app to capture internal audio in system settings. Some phones require turning on developer or special audio capture toggles. Also set a clear folder with at least 1 GB free, so recordings won't fail mid-session. Now configure how you record. Choose internal audio only for system sound or internal plus mic if you need commentary. Then set bitrate, 128 to 320 kbps for AAC, or choose PCM/WAV if you want uncompressed audio. Higher bitrate reduces artifacts. Enable monitoring and metering to watch levels, and turn on pause/resume for long takes. Test a 10 to 20 second sample. Listen back and adjust gain to avoid clipping. This prevents. To finish, stop recording and confirm the file saved in the chosen format. M4A for compressed or WAV for lossless, and check the timestamped file name. Once saved, quickly play it back to verify integrity, then trim or export to your editor and back up to cloud or external storage. If you plan multiple clips, label them clearly. Troubleshooting tip: if you get no audio, immediately check app permissions, toggle internal audio capture off and on. Restart the app, then retest with a short recording.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.